Alright, GM, if you're watching this, so this is a guide on how to trade your dogs token for USDT. So as you can see over here, I'm using Binance, and this is going to be my first transaction because I just recently verified Binance in order to receive this drop, right? So and as you can see here, make your first transaction. So this is I just recently opened this um, um, account for trading this. So in order to trade your dogs for USDT, you move over to here, right? What you click on what? Right? Remember your dogs token was sent to your spot account, so you click on spot, right? So you click on spot and you can see your dogs allocation. So and in order to trade, okay, this just got into my mind right now. If you're new to my YouTube channel and you've not subscribed, please do make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also like this video and leave a comment below. So in order to trade your dogs, you move over to trades. As you can see over here, trades, right? You click trades. Now over here there is buy and there is sell. Also remember you're on spot, so you can see this, right? So there's also buy and sell. At this moment, dogs spot trading is not live, right? It's not live, so you can't trade dogs at this moment. So, and in this instance, we are using Notcoin as an example just for the purpose of education, right? So, you can see buy and sell over here. So, in order to sell your dog's airdrop, right? You click here, right? You can see limit order, you can see market order, stop limit, stop market. Make sure it is market order, right? You click over here. If you wish to sell everything, you can just move this over here, mark sell, right? And you click on sell, and that's it. Your USDT will be deposited into your sports account. So from there, you can transfer it to wherever you wish. But if you wish maybe to sell, if you have 20,000 dogs and you wish to sell 10,000, you can just type 10,000, right? And you click on sell, and that is it, right? So, thank you for watching this video. Remain blessed.